These are blocks to build things with, okay? Let me take the package out.
Let's take the package. Let's build. Can I build?
Yeah, start building. Show me how to do it.
This.
That's cool. What should we build?
A castle.
A castle. That's awesome.
I can make it. No, look at this. It's a horsey.
It's a horsey. What's that? A tower?
I need to build a horse.
You need to build a horse, okay.
It's have 2 legs. Yeah, let me put them in a white set. Let me make a door. It never stand up. Mommy.
Got pretty good magnets in them, bud.
Yeah, when you build it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty good.
Come on.
Pretty good. 8 strong. Oh.
No, I'm having these.
Oh, okay. I won't build anything then.
I can build a really big castle.
Okay, you show me your really big castle.
I got my castle. Oh, my castle break.
Don't forget to make a strong base. Make a bigger base so that you can stack it higher like this.
But I don't want to.
I know, but that's how building things works, bud.
And my castle.
I know, look at my castle though. Because I did a bigger base at the bottom.
I'm blind. Oh, but it's not being taller.
I know, make the bottom wider. Look how tall mine can go. Okay, so as you were able to see, he was able to figure out how to play with these right away. As soon as we opened it, he knew that they were building blocks and start building right away. He's 3.5, so right in the age group for these. You can see that each of these bricks is about a 1-inch cube. The pretty good magnet grabs it before I even touch it all the way, and they're pretty strong. I was able to have one brick hold like the weight of 7 more bricks underneath it, so the magnets are pretty decent. It comes with lots of colors. We've got the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, as well as some black, white, and pink. So these are very nice colors for everything you might want to build. And it also includes a drawstring bag to carry them all or store them all together nicely. It also came with a little packet of ideas showing you how to make flat drawing type designs, as well as more 3-dimensional designs like this chair here or this helicopter. So it'll really help them be creative and learn how to stack things nicely, like building castles. Yeah, we'll build the helicopter as soon as Mommy's done, okay? There's the helicopter. Start getting the colors you need, okay? So it comes with that booklet to show you, as well as this bag, 54 blocks. Like I said, at 3.5, he just kind of knew right away how to start playing with them the right way and was really excited about them. So I hope that helps you kind of understand more about these, and I think they're winning toy for this preschool age group. So